Welcome to GTV Wire, bringing you the latest stories across tech, platforms, and digital media. Have you ever opened the App Store to download an app you rely on, only to find it has completely vanished overnight? That's exactly what happened when Apple temporarily pulled one of the world's most popular messaging platforms, Telegram, from the App Store. While app removals usually happen behind closed doors, over developer agreement disputes or technical bugs, the reason behind this removal was far more serious. Apple confirmed the removal was triggered by violations of its policies regarding child sexual abuse material. Here's what actually went down, how Telegram responded, and why Apple restored the app. It all started when both the main Telegram app and its alternative version, Telegram X, suddenly vanished from Apple's global app store without advance notice. At first, users speculated about technical glitches or potential geopolitical pressure, but shortly after, Apple confirmed the situation. According to Apple, their App Store moderation team was alerted to illegal content, specifically child abuse material, being hosted and distributed through the platform. Apple verified the presence of the illegal content, immediately pulled both apps from the store, notified Telegram's development team, and filed official reports with the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children. Apple maintains a strict zero-tolerance policy when it comes to content that puts children at risk. When illegal content is detected, the platform operator acts fast. So, how did Telegram get back on the App Store? Telegram acknowledged that the platform was alerted by Apple about users accessing inappropriate content. The source of the content was identified, prompt action was taken to permanently ban the user who posted it, and all offending material was purged from the platform. Beyond resolving the immediate incident, Telegram committed to strengthening its moderation tools and automated safety systems to catch and block explicit material before it reaches users. Satisfied with Telegram's rapid response and updated safeguards, Apple restored Telegram and Telegram X to the App Store shortly after. This event highlights a continuing tension in modern tech, balancing platform privacy with moderation safety. Telegram is widely known for its strong stance on user privacy, encrypted communication. However, major storefronts like Apple's App Store and Google's Play Store require apps hosting user-generated content to maintain reporting tools and proactive moderation against dangerous or illegal activity. When platforms fail to meet these safety standards, even temporarily, App Store providers have shown they won't hesitate to pull the plug until compliance is restored. It's a stark reminder of the responsibilities large messaging apps face as they scale to hundreds of millions of users. What are your thoughts on how Apple stores handle content moderation on privacy-focused apps? Do you think Apple handled this correctly? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. That wraps up this report for GTV Wire. If you found this breakdown informative, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next report.